Hello my dear students, this is the art exercise 4.3. Solve the following equation. What we have to do? We have to solve the equation over here. It means we have to find the solution of an equation. Okay. So here we have to find the value of variable. Three ways we can ask the question. First one is solve the following equation. Either find the solution of an equation, either find the value of variables. Okay, all are same. So here we have to find the solution of an equation. It means here 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So here what we have to do? We have to separate the y. Okay, from the equation we have to separate the variables and constant. So here we have to separate y. It means variable we have to separate and find the value of y. It's very easy. Already you learn in 4.2 exercise. But here what is given? Here it is given as a fraction. But don't worry students, it is very easy. Just you have to follow the step how I am doing. Okay, I will do one or two from over here, other you have to try by yourself. So please concentrate over here and try to understand. It is very easy. If you follow the step by step, then you will never make any mistake. Okay, so our first one is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. What we have to do? We have to separate the variables with the constant. Okay, so we have to separate the y. So first see over here what is the relation? 2y plus 5 by 2. It means relation of here addition. So do like this way. 2y as it is. 37 by 2 is 37 by 2 as it is. Side change, sign change. Over here it's the addition, so sign will be negative. Okay, side change, sign change. So 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Understood? Okay, now we have the same denominator 2 and 2, so we can solve. Yes, 37 minus 5 by 2. If here denominators are not same, then you have to take the LCM. Already you learn these things in a fraction chapter. Okay, in 6th standard also and here 7th also. So here what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. But here denominators are same, so no need of the LCM. 37 minus 5, it means 32 divided by 2 is equal to 2y. Understood? Now 2y is equal to, here in the fraction we know the rules of the fraction. It means we have to cut till the minimum. So here 32 by 2, it means 16 2s are 32 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, if you not understand, then you have to do like this way. So what we have to cut? 2 will cut. In place of 32 I am writing 2 by 16. In place of 2 I am writing 2 1s are 2. So which numbers are same? We have to cut it. Cut. What is the remaining over here? 16 divided by 1. In denominator 1 we are not mentioning. Just for understanding I wrote. That's why 2y is equal to 16. Understood till here? Okay. After that again 2 and y. Okay, y is not separated. Here again constant with the variable, so we have to make again separate. Y is equal to 16 as it is. Now see what is the relation between the two y. Yes, it's the relation of multiplication. Side change, sign change. So it will be division. Understood? You can do like this way. Here it is as a numerator, side change, sign change. It is as a denominator. Okay, anyway you can guess. So y is equal to again 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Which one are same? 2 to same. Cut it. What is the remaining? 8. In denominator 1 we are not mentioning, so y is equal to y. It means in our equation y is equal to, we have to put over here 8, then our answer is 37 by 2. Understood, students? Again I repeat, what you have to do, just you have to try in equation to separate variable. Okay, we have to make it separate. Okay, it is not compulsory. You have to do whatever I did over here. If you continue understand over here too, we have to write as a denominator, so you can write as a denominator. So this way you have to solve these sums. Understood? Now next, which one is a little hard? See, we try with the next B. Okay, B is equal to 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. So here which one is a variable? T. So we have to make it separate. So write over here 5t is equal to 10 as it is. What is the sign over here? Plus. Okay, here it is addition, side change, sign change. So it will be negative 28. Now see, 5t as it is, 10 minus 28, plus minus minus. So 10 minus 28, it is 18. But which sign we have to follow? Bigger one. Bigger one having the negative sign, so it is a negative 18. Understood? So now do over here t. Again we have to make it separate. Negative 18 as it is. Side change, sign change. What is the relation with the 5 and t? Yes, it is the multiplication. Okay, any sign is not between them. It means they are having the multiplication relation. Side change, sign change. Then it goes to denominator. Now check here, any cancellation is happened? No, 18 is not divided with the 5. So this one is our answer. If you want to convert as a mixed fraction, then you can convert as a mixed fraction. Then your sign is 5 ones are 5. Say the table of 5 till or less than 18. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 18. Okay. Sorry, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So here what we have to take? 5 threes are 15. Then after 16, 17, 18. So you have to write over here 3. Okay. You can convert as a mixed fraction also. But it is not a chapter of fraction. So if you want to stop your answer over here, then you can stop. But if it is the sum of the fraction chapter, then you have to write as a mixed fraction. So understood, students? This way you have to solve question number 1 by yourself. It is very easy. Just one thing you have to remember. Which one? You have to make the variable separate from the constant. Okay, step by step. If it is a plus, then side change, sign change, it will be negative. If it is a multiplication, then side change, sign change, then it will be division. If it is a minus, side change, sign change, it will be plus. Okay, so you have to try to do by yourself. Thank you.